So if you need to change your blade or open up your blade guard, you need to locate the blade wrench, which is located on the back side of the support arm on the upper right hand corner, or left, depending on which way you're looking. So you have two size Allen wrench, okay? The smaller size is for loosening and removing the Allens for the blade cover. The larger size is for removing the Allen that secures the blade in place. So the blade would be in between these two flanges. So you would remove that. And you would have the inner flange, which has the silver on both sides. That would go inside. And then you have the outer flange, which is black on both sides. Okay? Can you put these in backwards? No. These cannot be put in backwards unless they were facing the other way. And you wouldn't clamp on the blade as tightly. So it's very intuitive. And then you have a washer and your Allen screw to secure it in place, sandwiching the blade in the middle. All right. You have the blade lock directly behind, and then you would tighten it. Do not over tighten, because then it'd be a pain in the you-know-what to remove. Just snug it in place. All right.